So today we get to do one of my favorite style videos. I have a brand new HyperShift here. This is ZTI HyperShift. Haven't seen it, haven't sprayed it. As far as what you can tell from the bag, I don't know. It's gonna do something. So anyway, let's get started. We've got the Mustang right behind us. Black base on it, always the best neutral base to use when you're seeing a HyperShift for the first time. Now, but because ZTI is a color powdered pearl and not an interference pearl, we are going for full, solid, opaque coverage, so we can go straight to 25 grams a gallon. What I can tell about the pearl in powder form, if you want to take a look, it's really green and brown. Is it green and brown? What the hell? Silver? Gabe says silver. It's like a forest khaki green with something. I'm not even going to guess because I'm going to pretend like I know and I don't. So, it always looks different on the car. You can't really tell with the powders on these HyperShifts. They're very deceptive. But there's going to be some green going on, I know that. So here's 25 grams a gallon of ZTI HyperShift. I feel like this is a very light pearl because that was a ton of powder for 25 grams a gallon. Maybe it's just very fluffy, I don't know. Let's see what we get when we mix it. I'm not getting much more than that forest green, are you? That emerald forest green. This is a ton of pearl, dude. Wow. There's some sparkle going on. Wait, you know what I'm starting to see? Kind of that pewter vibe from ZTZ that you get. Let's see what the stick of truth has to say. All right. Okay. Strong green. Are you getting a little bit of that plum purple or something? A little bit of that right there at that extreme. Okay, this is going to be interesting. I'm excited. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, personally, I like to put HyperShifts in two different categories. On one side, you have the wild colors that shift from 5 different tones with the pinks and the crazy greens and the purples and blue, and they're just completely out of control. They have the wow factor, but not something I would personally want on my own car. Maybe it's a little bit too much. And on the other side, we have the smoother, more refined, more realistic HyperShifts that still shift like crazy, still get those eyeballs, but are much more of something I'd be comfortable putting on my own car. This ZTI is one of those HyperShifts. It looks beautiful. The colors are saturated and smooth, but it's not too much going on. I would definitely put this on any one of my cars and be very proud to have it on there. I'm gonna take it outside right now. I wanna know what you think. In the comment section below, after you take a good look at it, rate this color 1 through 5 and let me know, is this color something you would be comfortable having on your own car, or do you still think it's a little bit too much? Very interested to hear what you have to say. If you wanna dip your own car, click up here. We have a ton of kits to help you dip everything in the world. I'm really happy you guys hung out with me today on this project. I had a ton of fun. I'll see you guys on the next video.